Hey guys, hi, my name is Guido. I'm from the Netherlands and I want to show you my my RV, my rig. First of all, this is the table with the couch. Upstairs we have the bed with the window here. This is my electric stove. I only use this for the campsite, so not very often. This is the driving seat. It's a 2.5 liter diesel engine with only 73 horsepower. This is my my kitchen setup. Here is where I cook with propane. I have water, warm and cold. Here we have the couch in the back with a chair for outside. And here we have the bedroom with my potty portable toilet, shower setup, also warm and cold water. Here we have my 800 watt portable generator. So I have power all the time. This is my my closet. I got an Xbox 360. At the moment I did remove the heater because I have I have a portable heater. The ceiling I made myself. It's all plastic, so in case if there's any water leaks, I can just easily clean it. Storage facility. Here is my my solar setup. I have a 275 watt solar panel. It's mounted on the roof. I will show you the battery. I got two batteries, one 100 amp hours, and the other one is 71. With my 1500 watts inverter, all secured with these things. In here we have, at the moment we don't have anything because I have to buy a fridge and I don't have the money for it yet, so I'm not able to leave. Okay, and now I'll show you the outside.